even faster to loosen restrictions.
With public health orders expiring this week, Fox 13's Ben Winslow looks at how the state may move forward.
We've all been cooped up for far too long, but it's important to remember that the virus is still out there.
Appearing on Fox 13's Good Day Utah, Lieutenant Governor Spencer Cox says they're watching the number of infections and hospitalizations as they determine whether to loosen restrictions. A focus now is on vulnerable and high-risk populations, including the elderly and minority communities.
About 15% of our state is Latino, but about 30% of our hospitalizations. So we have to do a better job of focusing on those communities as well.
The Lieutenant Governor says the state continues to push essential social distancing, keeping at least 6 feet apart and wearing face coverings in public.
We're hopeful if Utahns will continue to do what we've asked them to do, if we can slow the spread of this virus, we'll be back to green sometime this summer.
Right now, most of Utah is at a yellow or low risk for COVID-19, but some communities remain at an orange or moderate risk level. Salt Lake County still has some of the highest levels of COVID-19 cases, with Salt Lake City, West Valley City, and Magna remaining at a moderate risk level. Mayor Jenny Wilson's office tells Fox 13, "We are continuing to look at the data from the holiday weekend and are in regular contact with the state to determine the next steps." Appearing before the Salt Lake City Council, Mayor Aaron Mendenhall suggested they might be changing their status this week.
As you know, we're still in orange status, but we're trying to work proactively right now with the county and the state on an anticipated shift to yellow on May 30th.
The Lieutenant Governor will not commit to a time frame for when the state might move toward that green risk level. Green loosens a lot of restrictions currently in place at orange and yellow levels.
I guess if we were looking for a best case scenario, the best case scenario would be in a couple weeks that we've changed and we haven't seen an increase in risk and people are being very cautious and they're wearing masks and not spreading the disease. If we could see that within the next few weeks, it's possible.
And the Lieutenant Governor says it's possible some communities could move back to an orange risk level if cases continue to climb. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.
COVID-19 has hit the Navajo Nation very